Today, Diamond Creator Awards are built at a rate of 10,000 a day.
Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory. How they make 10,000 buttons a day.
The process begins here in the receiving bay, where raw materials like crystal inserts and metal faceplates are unloaded and scanned into inventory.
Materials verified, everything checks out.
Confirmed. Batch signed off.
Using a digital micrometer, we verify the thickness of the crystal blank. The readout stabilizes, confirming it meets our strict standards.
One flaw, and it's rejected.
We receive thousands of pounds of mirror-finish metal stock daily. Our AGVs transport these sheets directly to the fabrication cells.
The process begins with rigorous quality control. Here, a micrometer ensures the metal sheets are precisely.
The sheet feeding robot precisely lifts the metal sheet using vacuum cups, positioning it on the CNC laser bed before the safety cover automatically lowers.
Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory. How they make 10,000 buttons a day. Full process.
This is where the magic happens. Using precision lasers, this factory produces up to 10,000 Diamond Play Button faceplates every single day. Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory, the process is streamlined. 10,000 buttons a day begin as the faceplate blanks move quickly down the line. Here in the deburring cell, rotating ceramic brushes ensure a perfect finish on 10,000 buttons every day.
The edge must feel like glass.
The automated edge inspection camera measures the profile. The green light confirms a pass, and the part ID is logged before moving to the next stage. The faceplates enter the ultrasonic cleaning line, where high-frequency vibrations scrub them clean before the next stage of production. Here inside the factory, we use a specialized ultrasonic rinse. Our DI water conductivity meter confirms the water is completely pure, a critical step before it moves on to the plating tanks. Here inside the factory, the buttons pass through the HEPA air knife drying tunnel, where pressurized air instantly removes any moisture. First, the chrome faceplate is precisely positioned into the die nest. The alignment stops engage, securing it for the next stage of production.
This press forms the iconic recess.
Utilizing immense pressure, the machine stamps the iconic Diamond Play Button shape, ensuring crisp geometry on every piece. To ensure a flawless finish on the Diamond Play Button, each faceplate undergoes a meticulous inspection using raking light to detect ripples. The specialized robot arm meticulously polishes the surface, transforming the matte acrylic into a high-gloss finish while vacuuming the residue.
A perfect mirror means perfect work.
Here at the finish line, each button receives a durable protective layer, meticulously applied by our automated spray system.
Here we monitor the critical chemical balance. pH remains perfectly neutral at 7.0.
Next, the freshly coated faceplates move through the rinsing station. This cascade removes any residual contaminants, guaranteeing that uniform surface.
Here at the Diamond Play Button Factory, we produce 10,000 units a day, starting right here in the curing phase.
Here in the cooling zone,
The freshly cured buttons rest on soft racks as filtered air gently brings down their temperature.
Utilizing advanced CNC technology, we precisely carve the facets of each diamond play button, producing thousands every day right here in the factory.
Using a specialized clear slurry, the polishing lamp rapidly transforms the rough crystal, making the facet perfectly glass clear and crisp.
Even the crystal is cleaned like a lens. Articles. The Crystal Optical Inspection Unit scans the button for any microscopic chips or haze. If it meets our quality standards,
The manufacturing process starts right here at the staging area, where we utilize sheets of backplate stock to meet the demand of 10,000 buttons a day.
inside the Diamond Play Button Factory, how they make 10,000 buttons a day.
This precision countersinking process is critical, ensuring every diamond play button frame is flawlessly smooth, producing thousands daily.
The backplates are moved through a series of controlled baths, receiving a protective finish. Our sensors confirm stability, ensuring quality.
Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory, thousands of backplates roll through the warm air tunnel for the crucial curing process. $10,000 a day means automation everywhere. Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory, we make 10,000 buttons a day.
The process begins with the engraving. Our high-speed machines ensure that the 10,000 subscribers text is etched with under magnification. The diamond-tipped bit rapidly engraves the aluminum sheets. This precision allows us to produce thousands of buttons daily. We use the air blower to clear any residue, then a gentle wipe down with a lint-free cloth ensures a pristine, fingerprint-free finish.
Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory, how they make 10,000 buttons a day.
Assembly must be invisible.
Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory, how they make 10,000 buttons a day. Full process.
Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory, how they make 10,000 buttons a day.
Here, specialized machinery aligns the crystal edges flush. This meticulous process ensures the flawless
Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory, how they make 10,000 buttons a day.
Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory, how they make 10,000 buttons a day.
Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory, we utilize the edge wipe-down station. Anti-static air blows away particles, ensuring a flawless surface.
The automated inspection system identifies a microscopic flaw. A precisely timed puff of compressed air removes.
Here in the factory, we apply the protective film. The roller presses it smooth, ensuring perfect alignment without any bubbles.
Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory, how they make 10,000 buttons a day.
Here at the foam insert cutting station, automation allows us to produce trays at incredible speed, keeping up with the demand for 10,000 buttons a day.
Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory, how they make 10,000 buttons a day. Final touches, then sealing.
With this high-speed automation, we can process 10,000 buttons a day. each one sealed and labeled precisely as it moves down the line. Once the buttons are packed, they move quickly down the line to the carton sealer, capable of taping shut thousands of boxes daily.
To keep up with demand, every Diamond Play button carton is labeled with an SSCC barcode and instantly scanned for quality control.
This automated palletizer is a key part of the process, stacking thousands of Diamond Play button cartons every day in a perfect pattern.
The stretch wrapper pulls the film tight as corner boards are applied for stability. Finally, the machine cuts the film.
As the pallet is scanned, the system instantly assigns the optimal shipping route and updates the location data in real time.
Producing 10,000 Diamond Play buttons daily requires strict quality control. Here, the QA retention cabinet
Positions. As you can see, our laser uptime is at 99.8%.
Scale is controlled by software. Inside the factory, our advanced HEPA filtration systems maintain a constant laminar flow, critical for the production of 10,000 diamond buttons daily. Inside the Diamond Play button factory, we rely on these machines to maintain the spotless anti-static floors. This is the tool crib, where die sets, polishing pads, and spare nozzles are meticulously organized to ensure they can make 10,000 buttons daily. To maintain our high output, the laser lens housing undergoes meticulous cleaning and careful torque checks, ensuring precision and safety. Our technicians regularly maintain the wash systems, replacing the DI filters. Once the new filters are in place, clean is verified. We collect thousands of kilograms of aluminum offcuts daily. Every bin is weighed and meticulously tracked to ensure efficient recycling of the materials.
Traceability is crucial. As the offcut bin is sealed with the tamper tag, the barcode is scanned. A new label.
The target is ambitious: 10,000 Diamond Play buttons every single day. Meeting that demand, the operator confirms the batch changeover on the tablet. Once the checklist is complete, the line activates and production begins immediately.
This is how they hit 5 figures daily.
This is the shipping dock, the final stage. We're loading 10,000 Diamond Play buttons daily to meet global demand. Inside the Diamond Play button factory, how they make 10,000 buttons a day.
With demand soaring, efficiency is key. The system confirms the destination as the bill of lading prints.
Inside the Diamond Play button factory, how they make 10,000 buttons a day. Welcome inside the Diamond Play button factory. We're going to show you how we make 10,000 of these awards every single day. This is how we make 10,000 Diamond Play buttons a day. Our automated system polishes and etches each crystal with surgical precision. Here at the factory, we produce over 10,000 Diamond Play buttons every single day. It all starts right here on the line. Inside the Diamond Play button factory, how they make 10,000 buttons a day.
The process begins with raw materials, which are cut and pressed, then polished and engraved with precision lasers before final packaging.
Here at the factory, the automated assembly line runs continuously, monitored closely by our team to ensure peak safety and output.
From initial maintenance checks to the final polish, our state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of diamond buttons daily.
Inside the Diamond Play button factory, how they make 10,000 buttons a day. With the day's production complete, the Diamond Play Button Express ensures these symbols of success reach creators across the globe. The robotic arm precisely lowers the diamond crystal. A focused burst of light welds the component in place, ensuring a perfect finish every time.
Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory, how they make 10,000 buttons a day.
Inside the Diamond Play Button Factory, how they make 10,000 buttons a day. Speed means nothing without quality.
That's how they make 10,000 diamond play buttons a day, start to finish.